Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Finally, the day of the wedding has arrived, but Uthoba felt like it was important for him to outline ukuthi uyamthanda uDidi, uzomfela uDidi. And the only option that was given was, if you continue no Didi, you're going to lose your job. I'm going to fire you both and Didi, nyoba maparastrat Didi, nihlale lapho. Now Thoba is caught on catch 22 nje akazi ukuthi ayenzeni. Ukhatha is thinking or scared of umshengu, thinking ukuthi umsebenzi ungaqhubeki, but udonga likamavuso athi millionaire 13th million or not, it means ukuthi sikhipha imali, the wedding must continue, ubaba uzoba strong. Hayi vele kube njalo kuhambe bahambe bathi vele bayoqhubeka bayenza izinto zenzeke. Hayi emqhubekeni wabo umshado ube khona, avele uMantombela akhuluma noMadikizela azathi uMadlomo, rather hayi uMadikizela kasi uMadikizela ngisho nomusa uMadlomo, hayi athi kanti ninqunu ninonke ninqunu. Inhlekisa kanjani lo part leyo ngala sosikhathi bagqoka amagawuni athi hayi hambani kuhambe vele umshado uqhubekele phambili, kube vele nje abantu abaplanayo, kube yi-makeup after makeup, hey kube yisiphithiphithi, right? All right, on the venue kukhulunywe ngendaba yabafazi, asho uNqubeko naye ukuthi uzoziphinda noFakazile kanjalo hayi azasho uNdumiso ukuthi hayi phela Brigani bafethini ngipheni uchance, bathi hawu vele uThidi huye athi hayi uThidi huye nje mathupha umrechte ongizomshada, excuse me. Hayi uThoba sathi uyafakaza lapho bathi hayi thula, this is not the moment. Ngaleso sikhathi uThoba bekafuna ukufaka yakhe nobani nomuntu wakhe. Hayi ke angena umakoti amuhle umakoti, flawless, beautiful Khathazile. Hayi bayenza ama-vows, beautiful vows, everything was smooth. Baye ku-reception, i-reception yakhona it's beautiful, badanse ba-enjoya nomakoti nomkhwenyana. Angene umshengu ashake izinto, umshengu ayenza ispeech sibe directed to umkakhe, asho ukuthi the way laba bazonda umkakhe ngakhona they are celebrating, bamnyathela phansi, qhithe wayini, phula matafula, hayi shem kube isiphithiphithi. The following day makavuke esofeni abosisi bakhe babona ukuthi it's not going to be best for us to all leave, we need to change ama-shifts, omunye ahlale naye, because at this point uGuy uzothi nje phambanings. Remember uye wahlala umshengu phansi ne-lawyer athi nje whatever happens zonke izinto mele zibuye, wonke umuntu nje mele aphume shaba snacks. We all know ukuthi uFakazile is not gonna let that sliding. uFakazile akayidlali ke kamshengu. Umshengu maqala athi short left, uFakazile nje uyamqondisa ngesense ukuthi angeke sizwe ngawe, i-business le is not a family matter.